Hey everyone. Hey everyone, welcome back. This is my wash and go. I just finished shampooing my hair. My new tapered haircut. This is what it looks like after I finish rinsing out the wash off conditioner. So this could be a style. You can have a wash and go style just like this. I'm going to use the Donna's recipe for the first time. It's the extra creamy leave-in conditioner. I'm going to try that for the first time, and also the extra creamy hair cream. I'm going to try these two today for the first time. And then we will do a couple styles. So you can see how to do a wash and go hairstyle or a tapered hairstyle. Okay. It comes sealed. That's what I'm doing to open it. I need to open it. I have no fingernails. I cut them really short, so I need to get this cover off. Got it. Now cover it back. My hair is pretty wet right now. You can see the water draining out, but I want it that way. I don't want to do too much at a time. If I need more, I'll add more, but this is what I'm using. I'm gonna rub it. It's a leave-in conditioner, remember. I'm doing the sides, the shorter sections first. I always rub my leave-in conditioner in my hair. It doesn't matter. I just rub everything in. Now I need some more. I need some more for the front. Again, I'm going with a little bit. My hair is very wet, so I'm happy about that. So I go like this. And then in between, I think I need more. I don't see any slip. But again, this is my first try. It smells good. It has a nice little smell. Okay, I think that's enough now. I don't want to over put it. From roots to end, roots to end, roots to end. Okay, so far so good. I can get through my hair. And this is the hair. So now let's style. This is one hairstyle you can do for a wash and go hairstyle. That's just with the leave-in conditioner. Okay, now let me wipe my hands and I'm going to do the extra creamy hair cream. That's the name, hair cream. It has a seal like this. And I'm going to take my little napkin and hold it together so I can open it. This is it right here. I don't smell much of anything. Maybe when I'm rubbing it, I will. You know, I have to take what's on the cover. And that's what I'm taking. I'll do the front first. I'm just working it in my hair. I make sure my hair was wet. Not damp, but wet. Because I want to see how this works in my hair. Okay, this is the front. And now I want to do the sides. I think I take way too much. As usual, I'm always taking too much. But I'll work it in. because I want my hair moisturized when it's dry. I want it to be moisturized. This is the wash and go. So, okay, with the cream, wash and go. It looks nice. I mean, take a look at the curls. The curls have bounce back. So, wash and go hairstyle. I would do hairstyle like this with my tapered haircut. This would be one hairstyle I do. So that's one hairstyle. Rock it, baby. Rock it, rock it, rock it, rock it. And then if this is going left, if you don't want left and you like your hair on the right, you just go ahead and fix it for the right. It's not hard, you just switch sides. And this is what it looks like. That's another hairstyle, another wash and go hairstyle you can do right after you wash your hair. And I am rocking it, rocking it, rocking it. All right. And another one you can do because the hair is wet, you can pin it like this. I'm trying to stay fast so you can see, because the closer I get to the phone, the darker it gets, but I'll try that too. And if you pin it, it stays like this in the back. Got it? And if you want, you can just make it even wider. I have water dripping. You can make it wider, like when I say wider, you kind of mesh it to match the rest of the hair. So it just looks like you have one haircut. You see? Like a model, like a model, like a model. Okay, so these are some wash and go hairstyles you can do. If you want to gel it up, you can do like a mohawk like this. And that could be, you know, what it is. And here's your short mohawk. You just throw it in the middle. Let me get it together here. That's your short mohawk. Once it dry, you can spray it, you can gel it so it can stay together. But this is another one. Right, so you enjoy that. So these are just a few hairstyles you can do. But the Tabitha pudding, let's make sure her name is right. Donna's recipe so far is looking good, because see my curls? My curls look really nice and defined. So this is my wash and go for today. And then let it dry just like this today. Right? My new hairdo. So go ahead, style your hair any way you want to. If you want to cut it, if you want to trim it, if you want to just play with it and create many styles. These are the wash and go styles for today on my new tapered haircut. Hope you enjoy. Remember, keep rising. Don't give up. And your I am for today is I am powerful. I am powerful. You are powerful. Keep rising, keep rising, keep rising, keep rising, and stay happy. Bye, 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 bye.